You guys, I literally just made $640 in a freaking day from selling digital products that I did not have to create. I sold digital products that I did not have to take a lot of time to do. I sold these digital products without even putting a lot of effort and time and energy into doing this. Not a freaking week. Not 2 weeks, but in a single day, $640. Most people who work a 9 to 5 job, it takes them literally 5 days to make $640. 5 days working 8 hours a day in order to make this type of money. So if you have been hesitant about starting your digital product business, if you have been putting it off and saying that you're going to do it, but you feel like you're not ready, in today's video, I wanted to make this video specifically for you to encourage you to go ahead and get started. Stop procrastinating. Stop saying that you are not ready and just start, you guys. I literally started this business at the end of last October in 2024, and I have literally been making money every single month from selling digital products. And I am doing this, you guys, without even putting a lot of time and energy into it every day. So I want to break the steps down of what it is that you need to do in order for you to start making this type of money. The first thing you need to do is have a digital product to sell. If you are someone who's trying to just make an extra income, if you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you just need to free yourself up right now and start making extra money, I want you to start with a PLR digital product. A PLR digital product is a private label right product. This means that you take a product that has already been created for you and you begin to market to drive sales to that particular digital product. So with a PLR product, you can literally grab my bundle today for $47, you guys. In this bundle, you guys, you will literally get 1,600 done for you aesthetic videos. So if you're someone who is not ready to be on camera, if you feel like that is not your cup of tea and you would rather be faceless so that people would not know that it's your business, you can literally get 1,600 done for you videos that are going to be videos for you to use so that you can create content every single day. If you're someone who's saying that you do not have the time to recreate videos of your own, then this bundle is going to be for you, because those 1,600 videos that are already created are videos that you're going to use and you're going to add hooks to those videos. So in this bundle, not only will you get 1,600 done for you videos, but you will also get 10 ebooks that you're going to learn how to do faceless marketing using Instagram, using TikTok. You're going to use this bundle, and with those 10 ebooks, you're able to learn how to do digital marketing faceless, and if you want to be like me and be on camera, it'll also help you with that as well. But if you do not want to be on camera, you literally do not have to be on camera. So in these ebooks, you're going to learn the step-by-step process of what to do, how to do it. It's breaking down digital products and what you need to do every single day so that you can drive traffic. But the beauty of this bundle is not only will you learn from it, not only am I giving you the 1,600 done for you videos to post, but you will also be able to resell this bundle as your own. So what you're going to do is, once you decide that you want to purchase this, if this is the route that you want to take, if you don't want to sell this bundle, that is totally fine. But if you decide you want to sell this bundle, you're going to take this bundle and you're going to add it to your stand store. If you need assistance or a video of how to set up your stand store, I literally have one, and I'll drop it down below in the description where you can watch it, and it's going to show you step by step of what to do and how to add your digital products to your store. So that's the second step. Get your stand store. I also have the link down below in the description of where to go so that you can start your stand store. Once you have your PLR digital product, once you have your stand store set up, which stand store will give you 14 days for a free trial, and then after that 14 days is up, you will pay $29 a month. So the third thing you want to do is figure out where you want to begin marketing your digital product. Now, if you're someone who's just getting into the digital product business and you do not have an audience already, then you want to recreate pages. You want to get you a YouTube page, you want to create you a TikTok page, or you want to create you an Instagram page. Where you decide to promote is totally up to you. But I want to tell you guys, here on YouTube has been one of the best things for me in the digital marketing space, as well as on TikTok. TikTok has been one of the easiest ways to grow your following. But the difference is on TikTok, you literally have to post every single day, 3 times a day, in order for you to see progress. Here on YouTube, what has worked for my YouTube channels is me posting every day, 1 video a day at 7 p.m. or around 8 p.m. So 7 or 8 p.m. every single day, just post 1 short. And I have seen this work on my YouTube channels, you guys. I don't post shorts here on this YouTube channel, but I have other channels as well that I run. And with those channels, 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. is the time I will post 1 short. And it has allowed me to begin growing those channels organically as well. But if you decide that you want to go the route of posting on TikTok, 3 times a day is how you're going to operate with TikTok. So if you decide you want to do the faceless marketing, where you're posting without showing your face and with you just being behind the scenes and not actually building a brand, you're going to use those 1600 done for you videos. And what you want to do is use ChatGPT to give you hook ideas. So let's just say, for instance, you are a single mom who works in the healthcare industry. You can literally target single moms who are also in the same industry as you. Just because you guys purchase a PLR digital product does not mean that you are not going to be relatable and that you are not going to tell your story. What I have learned is, when it comes to selling digital products, you have to be relatable. Even if you decide that you do not want to build a brand and you want to stay behind the scenes and you want to be faceless, you still want to make sure that you are being relatable. So what you're going to do is, on those videos where it's not showing your face, you're going to build trust and you're going to be authentic by posting relatable hooks targeting who it is you're trying to talk to. So on your videos, you will have words that's going to be on the video where it's telling something about you. You can first start off by introducing yourself, and you can talk about how you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and how you got into digital marketing because of your kids. Like, literally, you want to be relatable. And if you're having a hard time with coming up with hooks, use ChatGPT, you guys. It is literally free to use. You want to ask ChatGPT to give you 30 hooks targeting single moms in the healthcare industry, single moms tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Like, literally be more specific and as specific as possible, and ChatGPT will give you hook ideas so that you can take those same hooks off ChatGPT and post it onto the video that you are getting ready to post onto Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Now, I always say that it is best for you to start off with 1 platform, because if you try to do 3 platforms or 2 platforms at one time, it can make you feel as if you're having to do too much work. So if you know that you work a 9-to-5 job and you don't have a lot of time to spare for this business, I highly suggest that you start with 1 social media platform and you go all in on that social media platform. Each social media platform is literally different, you guys. So because each platform is different, you have to learn the platform. You have to know what works and what does not work. And you want to make sure that you are posting, but when you're posting, you want to make sure that it's gaining you traffic and gaining you sales. So I highly suggest that you post on 1 platform and you learn that platform. And as you grow that platform, then you can switch over to adding multiple platforms and cross post on each platform. Cross posting means that you're basically taking content from one social media platform and you're posting that same content onto another platform. But to not overwhelm yourself and to not make this difficult, just start with 1 social media platform and then grow that platform and then add another platform as you go on. Now, if you're someone who wants to be as I am and actually build your brand where you're talking to your audience the same way that I'm talking to you guys, then I would suggest that you get on YouTube and you start with YouTube so that you're able to talk and connect with your audience on a longer form video. But if you know that you cannot post and you cannot stay consistent here on YouTube with posting long form videos, you guys, just use YouTube Shorts to get started, and then you can come back and you can begin to add longer videos once you have freed yourself up more time from your job. Make sure you go ahead and get your PLR product. Even if you do not get it from me, you guys, research and find out how you can go ahead and get started. The easiest way is to start with something you did not create, and then in the long run you can add more to it. But for right now, if you just want to make money and you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, as I've done, you guys, just go ahead and grab this bundle, because it gives you everything that you need to get started, and it's going to teach you so much information, you guys. It's literally a walk in the park if you do the work. I'm giving it to you, but you have to decide that you want to do the work, and this is something that you really want. It's time out for us making excuses and saying that we can't do it. It's time out for you to just scroll and watch other people make money, and it is time for you to actually live a life that you deserve to live. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.